Hi friends, so today I would like to share with you this electric pressure washer. This is a 5,000 psi pressure washer that you can use to clean all sorts of things and areas in your house. It is a great product, to clean your car, to clean your siding, to clean your fences, floors, and more. So it comes with a handle so you can easily carry it, and of course with wheels. Now this product features a 20-foot pressure hose that you can see. It comes in this reel so you can easily remove it or bring it back into the pressure washer. And also it features this super long 35-foot power cord, for your convenience. This product includes 4 different nozzles in 4 different colors, and they range from angles going from 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees. So this right here is a leak-free type of brass connection, and to install the nozzle, it's super simple. So you're gonna just push this portion here, insert the nozzle, and release. The pressure cleaner gun has a gun trigger, and it has, of course, a safety lock. All you're gonna do is just pull out this portion here, and as you can see, you won't be able to start the pressure washer. Now, the other safety lock that I really like about this product is that it will only start, releasing the water if you press the trigger. If you release it, it will stop. This product also includes a soap dispenser, which is great if you want to wash your car. So all you need to do is add dish soap up to this line and then dilute it with water. Now this goes directly into the pressure gun, and then of course just press the trigger to release the soapy water. This panel right here is to control the 3 different pressure modes. It is a touch type of screen, so to turn it on, just tap on the power button, and then you can choose between the 3 different modes. You have soft, medium, and hard. So this power washer comes with 15 different pressure modes, and you can manually adjust them by either pressing the minus or the plus button. Also, you have a lock type of feature.